Hey there, family. I hope you are doing well, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today, I am back with another wig show and tell, and this wig is brought to you by RPGSHOW. I got a RPGSHOW edge band and a removable adjustable elastic band that I can insert on the inside of the wig. There's a dust bag to store my wig in or whatever I would like in it. There's also another storage bag for a wig that is really simple, but you could store your wig in it. I got 2 wig caps and a order slip with my wig information on it, which I'll be sure to leave in the description box. And it also tells you how you can return the wig as well. So here is the wig. The wig comes neatly packaged, and they made sure they wrapped it with a net and they stored some paper on the inside to help keep the shape of the wig hairline. So I am doing this wig install with the wig straight out of the box. Here is a inside of the cap construction. It comes with a 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure parting space. Behind the lace parting space, there are 2 combs plus another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. This wig comes with a removable adjustable elastic band. If you want, you could swap out the elastic band or just not use it at all. In the bag, it comes with a drawstring, and I really love me a drawstring wig because no matter what the head size is, that drawstring makes it so comfortable to wear certain wigs these days. Like, it just sticks to the head. You don't even need that adjustable elastic band. You could just use the drawstring. And they did a great job bleaching the knots. I do not see not one black knot in there. As for the hair texture feels like it's on the silky side. So now I'm just going to try on the wig and see what kind of vision I have for the wig, but I also want to make sure that the wig fit nice and comfortable on my head before I even take it a step further and style it. And voila, it fits nice and comfortable on my head. No complaints at all. And I really like the drawstring in the nape area. Like I said, it gives the wig a nice snug fit. So here is what the hairline looks like straight out the package. This is how it comes. The hairline comes lightly pre-plucked and the wig comes as a middle part. And bada boom, bada bang, look at that. Look at that. What lace? What wig? What glueless install? Like, RPGSHOW did their thing with that one. So right here, I'm just using a wide tooth comb and I'm just taking my time and combing the hair out. What? Bada boom, bada bang, I am done. And right here is my end result, beautiful. And I was very impressed. Nothing new. RPGSHOW usually do a great job with their wigs. This wig is very gorgeous. Like, they really did a beautiful job with the coloring. I love how the roots fade into the color. There's no harsh line of demarcation. And the best part is this wig can be worn glueless. Like, wearing glue or even spray or hairline tape is just optional. So like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a good day.